I gotta get the guys to help me if you want something.
Okay. We're at the UCB sauce. That is so cute.
Yes, thank you. Are you posting that on Facebook?
Absolutely.
Thank you. If you have us on Facebook, we would love to be tagged in it as well.
I will absolutely tag you. I love that Kenosha has a place like this now. So yes, thank you. Absolutely. Bathhouse. So cute. Even the window design, that's so adorable. All right. I used to this the first time through. Vloggers. Oh, that's so awesome. I love that. I can bring valuables to the beach now. You know, just in case your baby shits the beach, yeah.
Sand bubble.
I think I count 4 fire pits, 3 over here and 1 in the beer garden.
Yeah, thank you.
We have it, the beach house in Kenosha, opened in 1934 but closed for quite a few years and open again now. Amazing. I love what they've done with the place. Come and check it out. Kenosha Residences, or if you want a nice vacation, who knew? This is actually a pretty stellar vacation getaway. There's actually a couple of boutique style hotels just over that way in the downtown, nestled along Lake Michigan. Hotel stay, boutique style, this, it's amazing. And I'm originally from San Diego, California. They have this kind of stuff in the beaches down there. Even the stuff that they rent here and the stuff that they sell in the classic old, very old bathhouse shop. I'm so proud of my town of Kenosha. This is pretty cool.